Hello and welcome to Pelican Pete. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. And here we go. Hey, Pelican Pete, here he is, and he loves the game of golf. However, he plays the game a bit differently than humans do. Pelican Pete soars overhead looking for a golfer that's about to tee off. When the golfer steps back to look at the roll of the land and contemplate how he plans to hit the ball, Pelican Pete swoops in and scoops up the ball. He holds the ball in his mouth and flies towards the green. As Pelican Pete nears the hole, he pushes the ball out with the tip of his tongue and watches it as it rolls towards the hole. If Pelican Pete steals a golf ball from 2/5 of the golfers he sees and makes a hole-in-one 3/5 of the time, what portion of his gameplay is rewarded with a hole-in-one? Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and take a look at this problem. First of all, Pelican Pete is stealing golf balls from 2/5 of the golfers that he sees. And he makes a hole-in-one 3/5 of meaning times, right? Of the time that he shoots the ball towards the hole, right? And so this is a multiplication problem. And first of all, let me just say, if he's making a hole-in-one 3/5 of the time, oh my goodness, he is one heck of a good player, right? Hey, he should go on the pro circuit. That's what he should do. Anyway, let's get back to our problem here. All right, so the first thing I want to do is create my fraction box to create a mathematical model of what's going on here. So I'm going to make a big old fraction box. And now I want to cut this into 5 parts. So 5 parts means 4 lines. And here we go. I got 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines. That gives me 5 parts, and I get 2 out of those 5. So I'm going to go ahead and color in 2 of the 5 parts, and I'm going to do that right there, and bam, there we have it. So I've got 2 of the 5 parts colored in, and now I've also got to make another 5 parts going up and down this way, right? So let's go ahead and do that. 5 parts means 4 lines, so I got 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines, and that's giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, right? Now I get 3 out of those 5, so I'm going to pick a different color this time, and I'm going to make that blue, I think, and I'm going to color in 3 of these, and voila, there you have it, my friends. So where they crisscross is what we're actually having where he is actually making the hole-in-one, right? So let's go ahead and count those. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 out of the entire time he's looking for golfers and stealing golf balls and shooting for that hole-in-one, right? So what percentage of the time? Well, he gets 6 out of the entire, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be 25, right? So 6/25 of the time, Pelican Pete is making a hole-in-one. That is pretty awesome, my friends. Hey, this is how you solve the problem with the mathematical model. Let's go ahead and look at how you would solve it with the algorithm. Well, multiplying fractions is super simple, my friends. All you have to do is set up your fractions like this, then you multiply your numerators and you multiply your denominators. So let's go ahead and do that right now. 2 times 3 is going to give me 6, and then 5 times 5 gives me 25, and lo and behold, my friends, 6/25 agrees with our algorithm. Oops, I'm sorry, this is the algorithm. It agrees with our mathematical model right there, and that is always beautiful, my friend. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.